Alright guys, today we're gonna be playing Headliners again with my cousin Ryan. Let's go. Are we starting out from when we last started? Alright, let's go. Bro. Wait.
Mute yourself on Discord.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Alright, bro, what's it called? We need, we need to watch out for the locked in alien, alright? Yo, should we buy a
Daddy long
walkie-talkie
legs?
so we can split up?
Nah.
SD camera?
Alright, let's go. Oh.
And one flashlight too. We need a flashlight too. Alright, you take the SD camera and flashlight. Alright, let's go.
Go to Chinatown.
Chinatown. Alright, so since we had the locked in alien from the low taper fade meme there, it's gonna be there again. So just get ready for that. Alright? Yo, you gonna get out? Alright, let's go.
I'll wait in the helicopter.
Nah, I'll wait in the helicopter, bro.
But we just both wait.
Yeah, I think that's a better idea. Bro, I wanna get to like level 5 danger level. That thing would be crazy.
You just can't die. Gotta lock in.
We gotta lock in for these last two. If the locked in alien comes out, you know what to do. You know what to do. Get as many screenshots as we can. Yo, I'm pretty sure this is a survivor over here.
I
Right?
think it changes.
Wait, let's check this place out first. Oh yeah, what was that? Yo, I think I seen a stalker. I hear voices. Oh! No! Yo, I'll get a photo with it. Yo, pause real quick. No, I just want to get a selfie. Man. Yo, come back here. I just want a selfie. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, I think I got both in this screenshot. No, I didn't. Yo. Wait. Yo, say cheese, bro. Say cheese. Oh! Ow, that hurt. Oh.
Shit, rock! Took a video of it, by the way.
Huh?
I took a picture of it.
Nice. Oh, wait, is that the stalker? Oh, I thought I saw something. Go inside there. Let's chase it. What? Yo! Oh, wait, he's about to get bodied. Oh, yeah. Yo, Ryan? Where'd you go? He got bodied.
Damn!
Oh! I don't like that monster no more. I was a stalker. Hey, I'm gonna save some photos for that alien. That big guy.
Yeah.
Bro, that thing bodies you. He literally slams you.
No.